We already saw before how we can post on Facebook and how to schedule. Here, if you click on post and schedule, you see that you have two options. First of all, in the post history, you can see all the posts that you sent out earlier. Okay, I don't have any one at the moment, but you can see here post, to which page, to which group I send a post. If it is an image, which is here, the URL, the caption, posted when, and the message. Okay, or you can auto post. Here you can choose an image, and again here you choose from your computer. You can browse here. Okay, and here you can select fan page or group, and you select one fan page or a group. Then you put here some text. I would really suggest you have a URL here, like for example your affiliate link to a product. You decide when, range post 0 to 30 seconds, 30 seconds to 1 minute. Okay, so this will be delivered according to this frequency. And then you can also decide to schedule this or not. And again, the post date has to be the same, but the time you can be chosen by you, and the same is for the time zone. And once you're done with that, you're ready to click on accept to post it, or cancel if you don't want to proceed.